Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to Intellify. I am Bhavya. In this video, we are going to discuss about a C++ program on how to check if two strings are rotations of each other. We are given two strings S1 and S2. We write a snippet to say whether S2 is a rotation of S1. For example, S1 is ABCD and S2 is CDAB. Here we get the answer as true. That is S1 is a rotation of S2 or S2 is a rotation of S1. See, my dear students, let us consider the character B here. B lies between A and C. Here also B lies between A and C, right? In the second case, the S1 is A, B, C, D and the S2 is A, C, B, D. Here, if I consider the character B, B lies between A and C. But here, B lies between C and D. Therefore, these both strings are not rotations of each other. Let us discuss the algorithm that will help us in the program development. We create a temp string that stores the concatenation of str1 to str1 in temp. Then we check if str2 is a substring of temp and then str1 and str2 are annotations of each other. Let us consider that our string 1 is abcd and the string 2 is cdab. What we do in the temp string, we concatenate str1 to str1. So my str1 is a, b, c, d. I concatenate it to a, b, c and d. Then I check if the string 2, that is CDAB, lies in this temp string. This overall str1.str1 is my temp string. Now, through this temp string, I check if str2 is a part of it or not. So here in this case, str2, that is CDAB, is a substring of the overall temp string. Therefore, str1 and str2 are rotations of each other. Now, let us have a look at the program code. This is a C++ program to check if two given strings are rotations of each other. We use bits std header file. It includes every standard library. Then we use namespace std to provide a scope to identifiers inside the namespace. Then we consider this function that checks if the passed strings str1 and str2 are rotations of each other or not. Its data type is Boolean. The name of the function is rRotations and it considers two strings as the arguments, str1 and str2. First and foremost, we consider their sizes. If the length of both the strings is not equal, then definitely they cannot be the rotations of each other. Then in the temp string, we concatenate str1 with str1. Now, using this statement, we check if str2 is a substring of the temp string that we just created. We use npos here. npos is used to traverse the string till the end. Otherwise, we have to use the for loop for string traversal by mentioning the index positions, but here npos does our work easily. Then is the driver program to check the rRotations function. In the main function, we consider the two strings AACD and ACDA. Dear students, these both strings are rotations of each other. Therefore, the output is printed as the strings are the rotations of each other. We use return 0 statement. This is used as a success status to show that the program worked fine. it is included automatically by the compiler. That is all for this topic. Thank you. I hope you had a good learning experience. Stay tuned to Intellify for more such videos.